From a powerful It's darkened when water vapor clumps together into raindrops. Tornadoes come in many shapes and sizes. They can be wide, skinny, wisp-like, or they can take that classic funnel form. When this twister touched down in eastern China, it took every possible shape in the book. It was August 13th of 2023. Locals on the outskirts of Yancheng City in Jiangsu province watched in terror as a rare tornado touched down. Unlike the central United States, where tornadoes are extremely common, China doesn't have many safety features or bunkers that people can run to. In the end, the storm damaged over 280 homes. You can see the path of destruction it left as locals walk through the carnage. People lost their crops, electric lines came down, and roofs were torn off with ease. The tornado was only on the ground for about 15 minutes. Winds peaked at roughly 65 miles per hour, which doesn't seem that fast by US standards. But remember, tornadoes are extremely rare in China. Between 1961 and 2010, there were only 165 confirmed storms. They don't build homes to withstand wind that fast, especially in the rural areas outside of major cities. Sütlüce is a small neighborhood in Istanbul, Turkey. It's home to roughly 12,000 people, a few of whom were looking for a new home after a landslide swallowed their old one. It was July 24th of 2018. As the story goes, an illegal apartment building went up in 1994, overlooking what's locally known as the Golden Horn. Today, the Golden Horn is a rapidly developing area. Back then, it was a polluted slaughterhouse district. A landslide caused the foundation to crumble, leaving the illegal building to defy gravity for several hours. A swarm of police and reporters arrived at the scene, waiting patiently for the building to finally fall. Overwhelmed, leading to a tidal wave of water, mud, and debris. Turned over fishing boats and pulled decorative trees from their places on the sidewalk. The entire city was in panic. Some were brave enough to film the storm while trapped in the middle of it. It finally ended. According to the local government, over 3,000 people were evacuated during the storm. Thankfully, nobody was in this car when that giant cylinder fell through the roof. Nantong is about 60 miles outside of Shanghai, on the opposite side of the Yangtze Delta. This thunderstorm impacted several eastern Chinese cities, but none got it as bad as Nantong.